Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate balls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of crushed biscuits, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Also, have on hand about 1/4 cup of melted butter and a few tablespoons of milk or cream. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get to the fun part, mixing and shaping. In a large bowl, combine your crushed biscuits, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. Pour in the melted butter and mix well. Then, gradually add milk or cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the mixture comes together into a firm, workable dough. Roll this dough into small, uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Aim for consistency in size. Once your chocolate balls are formed, it's time to add their delicious coating. You can roll them in shredded coconut, colorful sprinkles, or even finely chopped nuts. For a richer finish, melt about 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate and dip each ball. After coating, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up perfectly. Your homemade chocolate balls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them as a delightful dessert, a party treat, or simply a sweet snack. To keep them fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their deliciousness for up to 5 days. These treats also make wonderful gifts. Package them in a decorative box for friends and family. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.